Hello and welcome everyone for another video. This is Norbert and I would like to talk about my Friday trading, which I haven't updated you about that, and you see my challenge is going. And actually I just wanted to talk about trading for a living as well. How much money do you need? Just in two subjects in one video, I think it would be quite alright. So let's look at this. This is where I started trading. Let's go to, you see, on Friday the market was almost flat, not flat, but I don't think it's moved enough, like 77 pips. I like it when it moves like 200 pips. This is when you can really make some money, but you know, this is a thing with trading for a living, because when you trying to make money and the market doesn't move, then you have to rely on that money what you have in the bank, and you know, you just have to come back. So basically it depends on loads of things. Sometimes you make loads of money and sometimes you hardly make any money, and sometimes you lose money. It depends on the market, but the overall, you know, result, you can see how much you make in an average, and basically the average is going to change as well, but it's not a big amount. So basically you can always rely on your average trading. So basically if you had a like 2 years trading, then you're going to have an average, and that average what you make a month, that can change a little bit up and down, on depend on the market how it moves. So basically if it's a high volatility market, you were trading on a high volatility market for 2 years, and then you get like, I don't know, a 5% trading result a month, and basically then following year, each month, you know, the market slows down, there's not much volatility, and basically that 5%, that average 5% slowly gonna come down, and then you will see that, because you will look at all these statics, and you can see it's coming down, and then you will look at it like, what is that, why is it coming down? And then you will realize, oh, is the market, I do everything the same, is the market not moving that fast like it used to? So you know, you can increase position size or you risk more, not major, but to bring that 5% back into line, because obviously if you have like your probably your drawdown would decrease as well. So you know, you will look at it, you know, you have that move. If you increase position size or you increase your risk, you're gonna be still in the range. Like, it's not gonna affect your drawdown that much, like it's affecting you psychologically or anything like that. So you have to bring everything to account if you do something like that. So this is the Friday. This is my first entry here, and then I increase position size at 132.60, and see, this is the 5 minutes chart, and it was hovering, ranging, and this basically came back up here. So I decreased position size accordingly. See, this was the lowest point that day, and I should have got out, because I would have recovered on, because I had a loss last week, which was, I think it was £79, and at this point I had £106 profit, floating profit obviously, and that would have been giving me about 120 profit factor, which you already know if you're watching my videos, that if I had a loss day, and that loss day I have to recover with another day which is a profitable day, and this higher profit by 1.20. so basically it's a 1.20 profit factor. So basically if you lost £100 the next day, or whatever day, if I manage to bring, you know, £120 back, that will cover that day, and that will bring me on that 2 days 1.20 profit factor, which you can use more, but this is what I use. And if I have a clear winning days, so basically my profit factor, it can't be less than 1.20, it could be just more, which I think it's understandable. So basically it's gone against me. So reduce position size here. Yes, I didn't close it down, sorry, I didn't close it down here, so I left the position runs because basically I wanted a little bit more here to go, and then I would have taken, I think I needed £135 I needed, because I wanted to recover my loss of £108, which was on a Thursday, I guess, and basically 1.20 profit factor would have been on it would have been 135 or so. So it didn't go, it's gone against gone back up here, and then obviously I decreased position size here, and I didn't really know what is going to happen, and that was just kept going trading, you know, and I knew it hardly moves, but I was like waited, you know, I was lucky because it came back down. I increased position size here, and I'm gonna put the viewing map on, which is here, dealing map, sorry, and you can see I had just greens, and I go out here, which I was a bit too early. I could have gone back down here and I would have made that amount, like about 106 or something like that. Didn't happen because it started to go back, so it was quite late, and I was thinking that's Friday, I'm not going to risk it, because if it goes back I could have been ended up like go break even or even lose money. So I just closed it down because it was late, and basically I ended up with, I'm gonna tell you, let's look at it, this was 24th, £86 and 2 pence profit on Friday, which it would recover my, because I had a £79 loss on, I don't know what day was that, I can look up later, and basically it would have been just a profit factor 1.8, so I'm gonna just leave this as a profit for that day, and I'm gonna still trying to recover those losses with the proper 1.20 profit factor. Right, I think I covered the trading day of the Friday, and I was saying I'm going to talk about trading for a living and how much money do you need and what you have to watch out for if you really want to leave your day job. But I'm not gonna cover that in this video. If I'm gonna do that in the next one, I'm gonna tell you about my experience, and stay tuned for that. So please subscribe to my channel and like the video, especially if you want to be profitable. You have to like it, and comment if you want to ask something, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and see you next time. See you tomorrow, I guess, because it's Monday tomorrow, and it's a trading day, and we're gonna make loads of money tomorrow, hopefully, only if you click that like button. Thank you. See you tomorrow.